Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today's recipe is a family favorite snack called egg kebab. This recipe was shared to me by a very good friend of mine, and ever since then it was a hit snack at home. There is a little bit of preparation required for this snack, but it is totally worth it. Let's begin by preparing the filling for the egg kebabs. Take a mixer grinder and to this add 6 cloves of garlic, 3 medium-sized green chili chopped, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half cup of coriander leaves, one and a half cup of grated coconut, and salt to taste. Close the lid and grind everything for 1 minute. It's been a minute, so let's open the mixer grinder and mix everything with the help of a spoon. Now continue to grind for another 1 minute. It has been another minute, and as you can see, our filling mixture is now ready. Let's move this aside. Now take 4 hard-boiled eggs. I have hard-boiled, cooled and peeled the shells in hand. Let us cut the eggs into half. So we can make 8 egg kebabs in total. So the eggs are done, let's keep this aside. Take another bowl and add 3/4 cup of flour. Add salt to taste. Mix the dry ingredients well, and to this we will gradually add 3/4 cup of water. Mix to form a lump-free batter. We require this batter to coat the egg kebabs before frying. Our batter is now ready and lump-free. Let us keep this aside. Alright, so our filling is done. Our batter is done. Now take some breadcrumbs for the final coating. I have made the breadcrumbs from leftover bread at home. You need not go for store-bought ones because the homemade breadcrumbs are the best. Make sure your hands are nice and clean. Now take half of an egg and pack the egg with the filling. Pack it really tight so that the filling doesn't fall out. Make sure the edges are also packed. Dunk the kebab in batter and make sure all sides are coated. And then coat the kebab in breadcrumbs. Using your hand, slightly press the kebab so that the breadcrumbs stick to the kebab. Shape and make sure there are no gaps. Our kebab is now ready for deep frying. Repeat the process to make the rest of the kebabs. Deep fry the kebabs on medium flame until they are golden brown in color. As you can see, our kebabs are done and they are golden brown in color. So let's take them out. There we go, our egg kebab is ready. It's really crispy on the outside, soft in the inside. It's a delicious and lip-smacking snack. Hope you guys liked our video. Do try this recipe at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. I'll see you guys again with a new Scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.